Not all paint strainers are created equal. That's why TCP Global Paint Strainers are designed to eliminate dirt, debris, and dust that can ruin your finish. Our exclusive design is made of a premium blue nylon mesh, a fast ultra-flow tip, and durable thick paperboard. They work with all types of solvent or water-based paints, stains, varnishes, latex, and other liquids. Our paint strainers are available in two versions: 190 microns for standard use and 125 microns for extra fine filtration. TCP Global Paint Strainers, your first step to a flawless finish. Professional results made easy. Get your TCP Global Paint Strainers today. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to our channel.